Hi, I'm Mark Donovan from HomeAdditionPlus.com, and today I'm going to show you how to replace these worn out garage door weather strips. So all I'm using is a hammer and a claw, basically just to get behind the garage door weather stripping and just working my way up the length of it, prying out the nails. Don't have to really tear it apart. Matter of fact, your goal is to try to keep it intact as nice as possible. And I'm just continuing to work my way up the length of it, prying it away from the door frame. And that's it. We're going to do it for all three pieces around the sides and the top. We're going to replace it with some new garage door seal that's going to have a much better, tighter seal against the garage door, so we'll keep the warm air inside the garage in during the winter months. So you want to make sure the garage door weather seal is tight up against the garage door. This piece is a little bit narrower than what was originally here, so I'm going to have to do a little touch-up paint afterwards. And also, I'm just tacking this in for the moment. I want to make sure everything fits and works properly before I sink all these nails. Again, as I put the garage seal door up, I want to make sure it's, again, nice and flush. The rubber part is nice and flush with the garage door, so I get a good seal. And then I'm just going to, again, tack this last nail in, and we'll do the sides. I'll leave it like that for now. So now I just measured out at the door 95 inches. But I'm taking a 1/4 inch extra more off so that the bottom of this garage door seal doesn't actually touch the ground or the concrete. This way no water can wick up the base of it and cause any rot later on. So I'm just using a chop saw here to make the cut, and we can show you a nice square cut. Now I've cut this side piece about a 1/4 inch shorter than what I measured from the inside point here to the ground. I cut it shorter by a 1/4 inch because I want to make sure the bottom of this is not sitting directly on the ground. This could potentially cause water to wick up and cause rot and damage. So I'm going to make sure it's tight and flush up against here, flush up against the door, and then we're going to just tack it in place. And work our way all the way down the door doing this. Again, I'm not nailing it all the way in. I want to leave these nails here, so if I need to adjust anything, I can without causing a big major effort. And I'm just working my way down the side, again, making sure I have a nice tight seal. Again, this seam is going to be taken care of. I'm just going to wind up painting that when I get done. All right, we have it tacked in place. I'm going to try opening the garage door, see if it hangs up or runs smoothly. If it goes smoothly, then we're just going to sink these nails and we'll go on to the next garage door. So the garage door opened smoothly and closed smoothly. The seal looks nice and tight. I'm going to sink these nails and then we'll wrap up this job. So in addition to sinking these nails, I'm also putting some additional nails in to make sure there's no air that can go behind the weather stripping and get into the garage. So there you have it. That's all it takes to replace a garage door seal. Take a look at your garage door. If you see that the rubber material is either pulled away from the actual wood part of the garage door seal, or if it's torn or ripped, or there's just not a good seal, remove it like I did and replace it with some new stuff. Take you maybe an hour to do the job, and you'll save a lot of money in terms of heat, particularly to heat your garage. And even if you don't heat your garage, you'll at least keep the garage much warmer because you won't have the drafts coming in during the cold winter months. That's it. If you have other home improvement questions, make sure to visit HomeAdditionPlus.com. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.